today I'll be showing you how to create a new event type to either place against a service user or employee's record. To do this, we need to access the back end of our system, which is within our settings tab here at the top. We're then going to move to service user. This may also be called client depending on how your environment's been configured. Once within service user, we're going to scroll down to service user and we're going to scroll down to event types. Here we have the list of readily available event types for us. However, to create a new one, we simply want to press the plus button on the right hand side of the page. Now that we've pressed the plus button, we are greeted by our data entry phase. For the example today, I'm going to use complaint. The resolution frequency is essentially just referring to, in the ideal world, after the event has been created, how soon after would you like this to be resolved by? For the example today, I'm going to select 7 days. Here we're greeted by a few tick boxes. This is essentially just referring to whether you would like the option to send information out via email or via SMS, which is text message, about this event type. For this example today, I'm going to leave both of these fields unticked. The instructions area is essentially just a box for us to input instructions for the event that we've just created. For the example today, I'm going to put in some very generic complaint instructions. The deactivation date here is essentially just referring to when this event type is no longer available for us to use. So if it deactivates, we would then need to specify a date here. However, because the complaint description that I've put in at the top here wouldn't typically be deactivated at any point in time, I'm going to leave this field blank. Moving further down the page, we are now greeted by a few more tick boxes. Essentially, if we tick either of these, it's making sure that this event type applies to each of these. So for the example today, I'm going to make sure I click employees and service users to ensure that this event type applies to both of these types. Once we've done this, we've worked through our data entry phase and we can save the record on the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once saved, we can actually see that our newly created event type is now available for us within the list. This is how to create a new event type. I hope this video has been useful for you.